Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about a very common problem. Many students tell me, sir, I understand English very well. I watch movies, I understand teachers. Even I can read books. But when it's my turn to talk, I really get stuck. Does this also happen to you? If yes, then do not worry, you are not alone. I'm going to talk each and everything so clearly in this video. Why does this happen and how to solve this problem step by step? This video is going to be divided into two parts. In part 1 of the video, we are going to talk why you understand English but can't speak. In part 2 of this today's video, we are going to discuss how to solve this problem and start speaking in English. So without wasting so much time, let's understand the reasons that you can't speak English even when you understand it very clearly. So the reason 1, active and passive knowledge. When you listen people or read books, your brain works, but speaking is an active skill. When you want to speak, you have to pick up words, you have to frame sentences, and you have to use with your tongue, your teeth, your mouth. And this is what whole body of yours will support when you speak. And reason 2, that is lack of practice. So most of the learners make mistake not practicing, just reading, just knowing grammars. If you want to become good speaker or if you want to start speaking in English, you have to practice English regularly. Whatever you learn, you have to apply them practically. Reason 3, fear of mistake. When you are afraid of speaking, when you are afraid of mistakes, whenever you want to speak, what if I make mistake, what if my grammar is wrong? So this is literally very wrong concept that you do. So do not think about your mistakes, just keep focusing on your speaking. So mistakes are common and mistakes are proven that you are trying. So the reason for that is vocabulary gap. You know words but you cannot recall them when you want to speak in English. So do not worry, so start taking single words and use them regularly. So do not give too much gap between your vocabularies will come together when you really practice them regularly. And the last reason that I'm going to talk about is environmental issue. In your college, at your home, you do not have that environment of friends, no one in your contact you can speak in English. Do not worry, talk to yourself and start using single simple sentences with your friends and create that environment within you. Part 2 of the video. In this part, we are going to talk about the solutions that you can't speak in English. So you are going to start speaking in English after watching this part 2. Let's talk about the solution 1, that is use simple sentences. So whenever you try to use English language, keep your English language so simple. Use some simple words, simple sentences. Don't make it so complicated. Example sentences like, if you know this sentence that I am going, so use this very simple sentence with your friends. I am going, I am hungry, I want to speak with you, I want to drink water, I have done my work. So use this kind of simple sentences to keep your English so simple, and it will also help you build your confidence when you speak simple and small sentences. And the solution 2, that is use shadowing English. That means to say, whenever you listen YouTube videos or watch movies or listen people, try to repeat them instantly. Example, if you have heard this sentence like, I know about you, so repeat that instantly, very quickly. I know about you. So same like follow this shadowing English, and this is going to help you so much. Listen to English speech, stop the video and repeat them quickly. So this is what you are going to follow for improving your English. And solution 3, that is think in English. So whatever you are doing, describe your daily routine, your every activity that you do in English. Suppose if you are writing, describe in your brain or speak smoothly, slowly saying that I am writing. If you are going, say I am going. Whatever actions that you are doing, so kindly describe them in your words and also in your brain. Think about every action that you are doing. Describe your life in English every day, every moment. And the solution for that I'm going to talk about is, do not think too much about grammar, because grammar People want to understand what message that you want to convey, not your grammar test. It is not your grammar test, my dear friends. Try to understand. You have to speak. You don't need to prove people that you are very good at grammar. You have to just pass the message that what you want to say. So do not worry about this grammar mistake, because grammar mistakes is very common. So do not think about it too much, just start speaking. And the last not the least, that is record yourself every day, morning and evening. Try to record yourself. In the evening, if possible, try to describe the whole routine of the day, whatever you have done throughout the day. Describe that very clearly, and after that watch the video and find out your mistakes, where all you have made mistake. And later on, please correct yourself with all the mistakes that you have done previously. So next video you are not going to make any mistake. And make sure that you have to watch, you have to observe yourself speaking. So that's all about this part 2 of this today's video. I hope you understood the part 1 as well as the part 2. Follow the part 2, all the solutions sincerely. This is going to help you for improving your English language. I hope you understood, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have subscribed our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let's meet in our next video. If you want any particular video, please pass your thoughts in the comment section, so that I will make the next video based on your recommendation. Thank you so much everybody. Take care. Bye bye.